Chemistry Jargon Unveiled, Master Key Terms for Success. Hello learners and welcome to our video on chemistry vocabulary. In today's lesson, we will delve into some of the most common terms used in academic and professional settings when discussing chemistry. These are terms you'll likely encounter in textbooks, lectures, or when having a technical conversation with someone in the field. So, let's not waste any time and dive right in. To kick things off, let's start with some fundamental chemistry terms. 1. Atom. This is the smallest unit of a chemical element that retains the properties of that element. In other words, everything around us is made up of atoms. 2. Molecule. A molecule is formed when two or more atoms join together chemically. 3. Compound. This is a substance formed when two or more chemical elements are chemically bonded together. The same molecule can be part of several different compounds. It all depends on how they are combined. 4. Element. An element is a substance whose atoms all have the same number of protons. 5. Periodic table. This is a tabular arrangement of chemical elements, organized based on their atomic number, electron configuration, and recurring chemical properties. Now that we've covered some of the basic building blocks, let's move on to how these parts interact with each other in chemical reactions and bonding. 1. Chemical reaction. This is a process that involves the rearrangement of the molecular or ionic structure of a substance, as opposed to a change in physical form or a nuclear reaction. 2. Chemical bond. This is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, or molecules that enables the formation of chemical compounds. 3. Covalent bond. This is a type of chemical bond where two atoms share one or more pairs of electrons. 4. Ionic bond. This type of bond involves the complete transfer of valence electrons between atoms. It's a type of chemical bond that generates two oppositely charged ions. Let's now explore some terms related to the states of matter and energy. 1. Solid. This is one of the three basic states of matter. It has a fixed shape and volume. 2. Liquid. This is the state of matter that flows and takes the shape of its container, except for an increase in volume, which becomes equal to the volume of the container. 3. Gas. This state of matter expands to fill its container. It is characterized by low density and low pressure. 4. Plasma. This is an ionized gas, a distinct phase of matter by itself, often seen in heated or ionized gases. 5. Energy. In the context of chemistry, energy is the ability to do work or produce heat. That's a wrap for our lesson on chemistry vocabulary. Hopefully, you now have a clearer understanding of these key terms that you'll come across when studying or working in this fascinating field. Remember, building a strong vocabulary is a cornerstone for your success in mastering the subject. Happy studying, and see you in our next video.